Oh, it does look like we have sound. If you guys watched the other video, I had to stop real quick to check sound. We've been having problems with the mic. You guys probably noticed on the videos where it just cuts out and it's real quiet. Whoa! Less talking and more paying attention. You know what I mean? Oh, that's pretty dope. All right. We gonna go up that? No. I think we can go in here. I had to set my tire in that hole, didn't I? Shit talking mushroom, we're on the frame! Yeah! Come on, baby! Hey, right, here we go, here we go. We're on the skid plate right now, boys. We're chopping wood. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3! Yeah! Oh, sorry, bike. Look at that, we're chopping wood. Gotta make sure we don't start no fire there. Probably burned out like 3 rides off my tire. Then she caught and she hooked. Yeah? But whatever. Get after it. Oh baby, that was so good. That felt so good. That was like, I mean, like, you know, like just the traction, the pulling, the steady throttle, everything about it. We're back on the wrong way again. Where are we going, right or left? I don't know, I don't think I ever went right. Let's give it a try. That's second right there. She's pulling hard, dude. Oh, that's a lot. Dude, she's pulling. What the? Oh, that was so sweet. That was so sweet, man. Woo! Get some air time. Oh, snap. Launched it. We're in a whole other zip code right there, guys. Look at this. Woo! It's amazing. Today's a sweater day, as you can see. Breezy. Ah. We in heaven right now, guys. This is amazing. I gotta admit, you know, through the few rides I've been doing, whoa. I was getting a little skeptical about this card, man. I'm like, hey, you know, but you know, you can't get pulled into the hype. You know, the hype is that you just put it on and you rip. Every bike is different, guys. Every bike is different. You know, every bike ride's different. This bike wanted more gas than they set the carb up for. So honestly, I started feeling like, dude, is this, you know what I mean, what's the deal with this carb? You know, it's kept clacking. You know, lean side, running lean. But it just, whoa. It just took a few adjustments. What the hell? We seeing like new trails over there. It just took some adjustments, that's all. Now we're, what the hell? This is dope. Now we're dialed in, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it, like McDonald's. We're gonna do all this over, watch. Woo! Oh! Yeah! Whoa! Kind of missed where I wanted to go on that one. That tree coming right towards my face threw me off. That one right there. Little sucker. This is where we wanted to go right here. See, what does it do? Oh, and then they just hook up right there. Give it a try. Oh shit! Ah. He's stuck in a predicament. Yeah! That was pretty gnar. I don't know where the hell we're at. Obviously, I know kind of in the sort of the general area, but this is all pretty new. There's that guy, dude. I swear we got like the same system going on, dude. That's pretty gnar. Yee! Airtime. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, ah! Hey, we're gonna go on that one. Willie! Pretty sure this is one we're going the right way. Might be wrong. We're going the wrong way. I know we're going the right way because that's gonna say wrong way. Alright. Oh yeah, we're dealing with massive amounts of traction here today, guys. Super tech, you know? But that's the way we like it. We're really enjoying ourselves today. So, smash that like button, subscribe, share this video, guys. Woo woo! Peace.